Aquí tomando un video con mis pollitos del año pasado. Sweaters, half sweater, one coat kelso, one coat azul. And this is half kelso, half azul. This one here, this beautiful. One coat kelso, one coat azul, half sweater. This one here the same. One coat kelso, one coat azul, and half sweater. Most all my roosters the same. This one too. One coat kelso, one coat azul, and half sweater. This beautiful here too. One coat kelso, one coat azul, half sweater. This one too. Same thing. And this is my rakata. One quarter sweater, 3/4 rakata azul. Beautiful. Very beautiful. I have a bunch. Maybe like 300. Oh, look, they very beautiful. This gorgeous right here. Half kelso. No, I'm sorry. Half round hat and half hash. Beautiful, beautiful. And I have another one. And this here is my possum sweater. Very beautiful. And same with the hand. Very beautiful. And this one here is my Brunner round hat. This one is my Brunner round hat. Very beautiful. His body is like full ball. And that one is my Brunner round hat hand. Both of them peers. Both of them Brunners. This one here, the one is sitting in the, fixing to lay eggs. She is Brunner around her peer. This one here is another one. Half kelso. I'm sorry. Half round hat and half hash. Look at how beautiful. Look at my macrays. They macray. I have another macray. They very gorgeous. This one here is half azul, one quarter sweater, and one quarter kawa round hat. And these four gorgeous right here, they kelsos, peer kelsos. And this is my hatches. Beautiful rooster, hatch, peer, and the hen too. They such a gorgeous, beautiful. And I have it. Wow, this is beautiful. It's my kawa round hat with two beautiful Brunner round hats over there, already sitting in eggs. Whew. And this trio right here, they are peer brown rats. Beautiful brown rats. Oh my God. This one here is my brown yellow lace hash with a Brunner round hat. Beautiful.